In September of 2021, Vermont SportsCar, which manages Subaru Motorsports USA's rallycross and stage rally programs, released a series of products with the VSC Motorsports line that are essentially pulled directly from their championship-winning cars. And since my 2016 STI is essentially a celebration car to commemorate all the accomplishments of David Higgins and Craig Drew, I figured this was a perfect opportunity to apply some of their championship-winning products to my car. And what better way to do that than with essentially the crown jewel of this lineup so far, the carbon fiber rear wing. This is the same wing that has been on the rally car since it made its debut with this body style in the 2015 season, which is also special to me since that's really what propelled me to get this hyper blue car in the first place, because this color is very similar, if not spot on, for the same color that David Higgins and Craig Drew raced with for so long. And this carbon fiber wing is an incredible work of art, and I wanted to go over the installation process and just general things about it. So if you're curious about fixing this massive wing to the back of your car, you can know a little more about it because there's not many of these around. This is a very limited run, and I'm very fortunate to have one, and I thought it would be fun to share the experience and my thoughts on it, and just to get into more detail with it. Installation is incredibly simple. This makes use of the 6 stock mounting points that are already on the back of your WRX STI trunk, provided you opted for a trunk that has the massive "Please Pull Me Over Officer" wing already on there, because Subaru did make it optional to have the big wing on the WRX STI models in these years. 2015 through 2021 WRX STI models that have the factory wing. You just need to reuse a little bit of the hardware, and the rest of it just bolts up, no problem. There is a gasket on there that seals it all off. There are no gaps, there are no flaws, there are no problems. It fits like an OEM part. It fits like it's supposed to from the factory. Only in this case, it's from Vermont SportsCar, and the craftsmanship and just beauty of this thing is unparalleled. The VSC Motorsport wing is not just all show. This does provide more downforce than the stock STI wing does. It was designed to give the cars more grip on those high-speed rallies so that way they can hold the road better and just have better stability. And to be able to have that motorsports heritage strapped to the back of my car at the same time while looking this fantastic is incredible. This wing does sit further off of the rear than it normally would just because of how it's shaped, but it doesn't impede how it opens or closes. Again, all of this is very, very OEM feeling in that it doesn't impede any of the regular functions of the car. It closes nice and securely, it has enough weight to do so. It's actually slightly lighter than the stock WRX STI wing, so opening isn't a problem either.
What I really like, you find yourself a little bit distracted, is when you're in the rain or in the snow, you can actually see the air go through it and tumble behind you.
What?
Yeah.
While the wing itself is faultless and beautiful to look at, looking out the back is another story because there's only about 2.5 inches left of space you can actually see. And because of how high up the wing sits, it does block the visibility of the third brake light, so you may want to think about installing a 4th brake light option down below. Also, the wing does not cover up some of the areas that are left over by the STI wing that would have been on there before, namely some scuffs in the paintwork, and also along the backside and the bodywork there's the potential to have a few creases left over from the design of that wing. Again, these aren't faults of the wing itself, just something to be aware of if you install one. Otherwise, it's been fantastic, and I absolutely love the wing. I regret nothing. It has been absolutely fantastic. It looks great, it functions great, and could not be happier with it. If you got more questions about the VSC Motorsports wing, leave a comment down below and stay tuned for more content. Thank you so much for watching.